Hi, my name is Mike. I want to talk to you about Solar Tech and their Tesla battery project. I am a proud owner of Solar Tech Tesla batteries. They were a wonderful company to work with. They supplied and did everything for me. It was just a wonderful experience. I'm handicapped and I use a CPAP machine at night. The CPAP machine, when I lost power, would go out in the middle of the night and leave me breathing nothing. I would wake up with a dry mouth and couldn't hardly swallow. Once I had the Tesla batteries and Solar Tech had wired them all in, I had the power go out one night and the batteries kicked on immediately. I didn't even know the power went out. So I highly recommend getting the Tesla batteries from Solar Tech. Solar Tech is just a wonderful company to work with and very efficient and did a beautiful job. Thank you very much.